Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit images on your Squarespace site. Whether you're updating product photos, adjusting banner images, or refining your gallery, knowing how to properly edit and customize images will help your website look polished and professional. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the website you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your sites are displayed. From your dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to edit the image. This will take you into that specific site's management area. You'll see various options for managing your content, pages, and design settings. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. A menu will appear, and from there, click Edit. This action will open your site in the visual editor mode, allowing you to make changes directly to what visitors see on your pages. Next, find the image that you want to edit. This could be anywhere on your page, whether it's in a header, within a text block, or part of a gallery. Once you've located the image, click on it. You'll notice a pencil icon appear. Click this pencil icon to open the image editing options. Here, you'll see several powerful options. You can replace the image entirely if you want to swap it out for a different one. You can also add a link, which is useful if you want the image to direct visitors to another page or external site. Additionally, you can add an alternate file name and image alt text. The alt text is especially important for accessibility and SEO, as it describes the image for search engines and screen readers. Once you've made those adjustments, click on Design. This is where the visual customization happens. Here, you can choose whether the image displays as fit, fill, or shape. The fit option maintains the image's original proportions, fill stretches it to cover the entire container, and shape allows for more creative layouts. You can also edit the corner radius, which rounds the edges of your image for a softer look. The image effect option lets you apply filters or styles, while overlay allows you to add a color tint or transparency layer over the image. Finally, the lightbox option enables a pop-up view when the image is clicked, perfect for galleries or detailed product shots. Additionally, you can resize the image by dragging the small squares that appear beside it. This gives you precise control over how large or small the image appears on your page. And that's it. You've successfully customized your image on Squarespace to match your site's aesthetic and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.